Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to remove contact photos from iPhone. So if you set up a contact photo on your iPhone, just like this, on your iPhone My Card, which is your contact photo and poster, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily remove this or delete it from your iPhone. So if none of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to remove contact photos from iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the contact app on your iPhone. Once open the contact app, click on list of contacts here, and then you have access to your card. So go ahead and click on my card. Once you selected my card here, you can customize or change your contact photo. So go ahead and click on the edit button at top right. Once you selected that, here click on edit on the contact photo you want to remove. Now here you have access to various contact photo you have on your iPhone. Now to remove the contact photo on your iPhone, just swipe up on the contact photo just like this. Then you should see the trash icon beneath the contact photo you want to remove or delete. Then go ahead and tap the trash icon. Once you hit that button that says delete contact photo and poster, if you want to remove the contact photo from your iPhone, just go ahead and tap delete. Once you hit the delete button, you can just go ahead and click on the done button at top right to save an empty contact photo. Then go ahead and click on done. However, if you set a preferred contact photo for individual contact on your iPhone, let's say I have this contact where I have my preferred contact photo set, then to remove this contact photo, all you need to do is go to the contact page just like this, click on edit button at top right, then tap edit. Here you'll be able to edit the contact photo. Now what you need to do here is swipe up on the contact photo as well, just like this, then tap the trash icon beneath the photo and then click on delete under delete contact photo and poster. Repeat this on all other contact photo you want to remove from your iPhone to remove the contact photo step by step. And once you have nothing left here, just go ahead and click on done and then tap the done button again. So that is it. You can see that. So that is basically how to remove contact photos from iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.